The UFO high bay light offers powerful illumination, making it perfect for high ceiling spaces and easy to install. Compared to traditional sodium lights, the LED UFO high bay light delivers higher brightness, longer lifespan, and is more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. We offer a variety of beam angles, a 120-degree glass lens, and 60-degree and 90-degree PC lenses to suit different application scenarios. The light supports various dimming functions, including on, off, 0 to 10 volts dimming, and DALI dimming, to meet different lighting needs. Available color temperatures range from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, providing the perfect lighting color and texture. OLAM's UFO high bay light is the ideal choice for enhancing the lighting efficiency of your space.